Hello. Our topic for today is Qpsk, or sometimes called quadrature PSK. It is another form of angle modulated constant amplitude digital modulation. Qpsk is an MRI encoding scheme where n is equals to 2 and m is equals to 4. Hence, the name quaterny meaning 4. With Qpsk, 4 output phases are possible for a single carrier frequency. Because there are 4 output phases, there must be 4 different input conditions. Because the digital input to a QPSK modulator is a binary base 2 signal. To produce 4 different input combination, the modulator requires more than a single input bit to determine the output condition. QPSK modulator is shown. So remember what I said earlier is that we have 4 possible output in QPSK. So it is required to have 2 binary input. So here we can see that I is being connected to the balance modulator. We have a carrier oscillator of sine omega ct connected to the same balance modulator. So we can say that the I is multiplied by sine omega ct. And for the binary input Q, it is going through the balance modulator in the bottom part. And the carrier oscillator sine is being out of phase by negative 90-degree phase shift. Remember, in Cartesian plane, we draw that the in x-axis sine omega ct, the upper is cosine omega ct, the left side is negative sine and in the bottom part is negative cosine omega ct. We can see the negative 90 phase shifter is here. So we can in the graph we can say that the sine reference carrier oscillator sine is being phase shift by negative 90 degrees, which is this direction, and we can see the negative cosine omega ct. So Q is being multiplied by negative cosine omega ct. Then at the in this part of modulator, we can see that the output of the upper and the lower balance modulator is being add or being summated. So in this equation, we can put a plus sign here, and this is our equation. And in trigonometry, it is identity of sum and difference. So we can say that C sine omega ct plus minus theta. And to calculate the C, it is equal to the square root of I squared plus Q squared. And for the theta is equals to arctangent sine over cosine is equals to omega ct to the theta. So Mr. Nunez will solve the given problem and construct a truth table, phasor diagram, and constellation diagram. Now draw the constellation diagram. So, are you done, Mr. Nunez?
Yes.
I will not check your answer. So, 0, 0. Check. 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 Here. Okay, check. The constellation diagram is correct. Okay. 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 So, it's done. It's all correct, Mr. Nunez.